chips and
chips. Dessert pala yun.
Ginger. Ginger, right? Oh, ginger.
Sino gusto ka rin na kumain ng banana chips? Kasi ito nilagay. Natupad lang ang wish mo.
Ano natin itong
Luya.
Luya. Luya chips. Small lang.
Kagal lang pala.
Isang shot lang.
Ano kung kumain?
Which one? Water, one.
What?
Yan ang Bicol yan.
Bicol.
Bicol. Tapos vodka.
Lalagyan ng kalamansi. It's hot pala. Hot
Vodka and lemon.
In the Philippines, we drink coffee when it's hot. In Vietnam, we drink honey tea when hot season. Dun kilbi.
Akala ko lang. Kasi naman dadaan-daan si B eh.
Buti pa rito may B.
Ikaw walang BB. Thank you.